everyone, welcome to Eva's channel. Great to have you here. Today we are happy to share a fresh reorder from our US customer. It's the P1.25 MA600 series. Let's see why customers keep coming back for this series. It's smart and handy, size 600 by 337.5 millimeter, only 4.5 kilogram per piece. You will love its 16:9 golden ratio, perfect for today's content. From PowerPoint presentation to high video like movies, everything looks crisp and immersive right away. Here's what makes MA600 series stand out. First, Flip Chip COB LED technology. This means higher brightness up to 1000 nits with lower power consumption and much cooler operation. It's energy efficient, user-friendly and total worry-free when it comes to waterproofing and impact resistance. Second, dual power and signal backup system. Each panel is equipped with double quantity receiver and power supply. Avoid interruptions during key moments. If one power or signal path fails, the backup takes over instantly. It's a seamless transition. No one even notices. Third, it supports HDR with high-class controller, receiver A10S Plus, and driving IC. The screen is with HDR function and 16 bits. That means colors and contrast stand out beautifully. Brights are vivid, darks and deep and clear, and everything looks true to life. Every unit is pre-shipment tested with the aging and HDR checks to ensure perfect performance. In short, the MA600 gives you a widescreen display, fail-safe backup, and a vivid HDR, all while energy saving. It's complete, user-friendly, and worry-free package. By the way, our standard P1.25 MA600 is now more affordable. If you don't need all the bells and whistles, common COB or GOB with single power supply and receiver will still do excellent job for your daily work. So whatever your needs, full-featured or cost-friendly, we've got you covered. Okay, that's all for today. Questions or interested, reach out. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching.